Hello everyone. My name is Sophie. Welcome to my channel.
Today, we're diving into the incredible Dyson V11 Origin Cordless Vacuum, a cleaning powerhouse designed for whole home deep cleaning. This vacuum is truly versatile. With its cordless design, you can clean every corner of your home effortlessly. And it's not just convenient, it's powerful, delivering 60% more power Superscript 1 than previous models and up to 60 minutes Superscript 2 of runtime, so you can clean your entire home without interruptions.
The V11 features three cleaning modes. Auto mode, that balances power and runtime for everyday tasks. Eco mode, that extends the runtime for longer cleaning sessions. Boost mode, this one is perfect for those stubborn messes that need extra attention.
One standout feature is the intelligent LCD screen, which keeps you informed about the power mode, maintenance needs, and remaining runtime, displayed down to the second. Its Motorbar cleaner head is designed to deep clean all floor types while removing tangled hair and pet fur as you go. Need to clean your car, stairs, or furniture? No problem. The Dyson V11 easily converts to a handheld vacuum for versatile use. Pet owners will love the hair screw tool, which quickly and effectively sucks up long hair and pet hair. Its anti-tangle conical brush bar ensures smooth cleaning of pet beds, car seats, stairs, and more. In summary, the Dyson V11 Origin cordless vacuum combines power, intelligence, and versatility, making it a must-have for any home.
If you're interested in learning more, check out the link to purchase in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more product reviews. Thanks for watching and see you soon.